How to automatically copy data from one Excel worksheet to another. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Microsoft Excel application on your device and select the Excel file sheet or the worksheet over here. Now just select on the file over here, it will land you to this page over here where you can see different worksheets over here at the below on the very bottom of the screen. So you can see different worksheets. Now in order to copy the data, you can just make a long press on the worksheet and you can either move this worksheet as a whole. You can make a duplicate file as well. Now if you want to move, tap on move and then you can select the destination for this data to move from one worksheet to another. Now, if you do not want to move it and you want to copy just the data, what you can simply do is just tap on the data where you want to copy them and then drag it until where you want it and then tap on the copy option over here. Now as you copy that, you can paste it wherever you want and you can automatically copy the data from one Excel worksheet to another. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.